Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be using this Life of a Rose Polygel kit from makartt. This kit has the prettiest colors, perfect for Valentine's Day, and this will probably be my last Valentine's Day set. Quickly taking everything out of this box, you always get directions on how to use the polygel in the makartt boxes. You also get a base coat, a couple polygels, a spatula, nail file, and dual forms. I'm only going to be using one color out of this kit. I'm going to be using the spatula, the nail file, and also the base and top coat. These are all the colors swatched out. They're just so beautiful and pigmented. I really like the colors. This pink really stood out to me, and then this nude color actually came from the January Your Nail Lab box that I'm going to be using with the set. I'm using some stiletto duo forms that are from makartt also, and you can get those on Amazon. And then a couple sequins and glitters, of course, we're going to be adding into the set. For starting off, you're going to want to obviously prep your nails. I have a peel off base coat on, so I'm just applying some base coat on top of that. Using the duo forms, I'm just taking the polygel, putting it right in the duo form, using some slip solution to move that all around. And once I have that to my liking, I'm going to put it on my nail. And then I'm going to cure it in the lamp for about 30 to 45 seconds. Once that's cured, you can just pop the dual form off. Should give you no trouble at all. And then I'm applying some more base coats so we can add on some glitter sequins. I had a general idea of what I wanted to do, but I wanted to make sure it was going to look okay, so that's why I do one nail first. Applying those cute little hearts all over. Again, these are from makartt. And then these other little hearts that I got here, I actually think I got them on Etsy, and this was some time ago, but I'm pretty sure you can find them anywhere. Taking some of that nude polygel, and I'm placing that at the cuticle area and blending it upwards. So we're going to create an ombre.
I already know better. 24K got nothing on me. Make you want it forever. Try to play a game, but you don't play for keeps. Messing with a girl from the east side, yeah. Kinda love you, wanna build your dreams on, yeah. But I already know better. I'm a go-getter.
Once I'm happy with that, I'm going to cure it in the lamp for about 15 to 30 seconds just to keep everything in place. I get pretty clumsy when I do nails, so I just like to make sure I don't ruin anything. Moving on to my middle, I'm going to be doing the same thing, except I'm going to break the rest of the nails down into steps. I typically like to do it this way so I can have a more flush cuticle. On my ring finger, I'm going to do a full nude nail, and then on my pinky and my thumb, I'm also going to be doing the ombre.
Yeah, I already know better. 24K got nothing on me. Make you want it forever. Try to play a game, but you don't play for keeps. Messing with a girl from the east side, yeah. Kinda love you, wanna build your dreams on, yeah. But I already know better. I'm a go-getter, and I got me on my own, and I don't waste any time chasing a ghost who don't try. I'm top of the shelf, but you help yourself to somebody else. It's too late. Don't really care about all of your mistakes. You were out of your league in the first place. Not even surprised that you let me down, down, down. I gave you too much, honestly, and you closed the door. Now you're calling me, but I don't need you anymore. Yeah, I already know better.
This is where I like to break it down into steps. So I'm going to be taking my e-file here and just going around the cuticle area. This is to really smooth out that lip that's there from the dual form and the excess polygel. So I'm going to be doing this on all of my nails, and then I'll be back. Removing all the excess dust, I'm now going to be taking some more base coat, applying that to all of my pink nails so we can add those sequins like we did on the index finger. And then I'm going to flash cure that in the light for about 15 seconds to hold it in place. Anything that looks like it's lifted, I'm just going to add a little bit more base coat on there to kind of secure it or encapsulate it so it doesn't flake off when I go to put the nude polygel on.
You think it's so important to convince everyone else that you're not boring, but it's making me feel like my skin is crawling. I keep pouring out my empathy to someone I don't even see eye to eye with. I don't mind if you don't have it all together. Yeah, I get it, we're all human, but I give you an inch and you take miles. It's tragic, ruining my sanity with tales of animosity. I'd rather I cry than let you drive me crazy, lose my mind, and I swear I might die if I cared more, but you're not worth the time. You never put me up front 'cause it's your spotlight. I'm in the backseat of my own car. I'd rather cry than let you drive me crazy one more night. Climbing up somebody else's ladder just to make yourself feel just a little bigger. I don't know if I've seen anything that's sadder. It's so hard to comprehend how you don't even understand. Stepping on me without even trying. Never seen somebody get so good at lying. It's impressive you don't spend all your time crying over all the ways you let me down. So many I could drown, but I'd rather cry than let you drive me crazy, lose my mind, and I swear I might die if I cared more, but you're not worth the time. You never put me up front 'cause it's your spotlight. I'm in the backseat of my own car. I'd rather cry than let you drive me crazy one more night. Typical emotional, sensitive and cynical. Took my sanity and sent it up the wall. Typical emotional, it's so unoriginal. I gave you the best and you just took it all. I'd rather cry than let you drive me crazy, lose my mind, and I swear I might die.
Once you finish that, you're going to want to cure it in the lamp for a full 60 seconds, and then you're going to want to encapsulate. I'm using Builder Gel. I just really like the thin consistency of Builder Gel, plus it's really clear. It really gets into all those dips and grooves, so that's why I use Builder Gel. I'm only going to show one nail because this part is kind of a lengthy process. I flash cure in between nails just because it is a self-leveling product. It will run into the cuticle if you try to do too many, so then you're going to be doing more work than you need to. So I recommend flash curing in between each nail when doing this. This is how everything looks once it's been filed, shaped, and buff. I file off camera because my whole table shakes and it kind of looks like you're on a roller coaster, so I decided not to put that in there. But now I'm going to add some lips on there. I thought that would be like a cute accent to all the hearts, and yeah, I'm just going to go through and do that. Taking some makartt rhinestone gel glue, I'm applying that onto my nail, and then I'm going to be taking some top coat and going over top of that to smooth everything out and have a finished look to it once the rhinestones are on there. These rhinestones are also from makartt in the January Your Nail Art box. Super pretty. They're so shiny, it's like messing with my camera here. Gem placement is a craft all its own, and I really need to work on it. I don't do too many like huge rhinestones all over my fingers, but there are times when it calls for it, and yeah, it's something that I need to practice. I'm now going to top coat everything, cure it in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. Then I'm going to be taking some Young Nails cuticle oil, applying that to all of my nails.
I'm sorry, I'm not perfect, but I knew that I would.
So you guys, this is the finished look. I really like the way that they came out. I'm pretty happy with them. I think they're super cute, perfect for Valentine's Day. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of these nails. I really appreciate you guys being here. Thank you to everyone who is subscribed to me and recently subscribed. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!
I'm sorry, my actions, they haunt me, and all